Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edra, Department of Information Technology. On today's, we start the practical session. Practical number 1A and 1B on a course or subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here, this is the allocated marks of our course. All are know how many marks of our subject. Okay, total 50 marks are there. Through on an AMT subject means that course no any theory exam, only for practical sessions are there. In that practical marks are total 100 marks. In that 50 marks for external and 50 marks for internal or PA means progressive assessment. In that progressive assessment, in that consider your practical marks and also micro project marks, and in that also consider your attendance. After that, in that PA means your term marks, how will be that calculated? In that check your attendance in your assessment, regularly assessments, also your micro projects work. Your oral questions answers, that's all are calculated in that term marks means in a PA, and it is the 50 marks extra means in a after the completion of semester one exams are there for external, that will be calculated out of 50 marks means total 100 marks that subjects. Okay, this is a practical subject, no theory paper, so these 100 marks are yourself, you do well daily your practical session work, then you get out of 100 marks. Next, vision mission of department. You already know vision mission statement of our department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statements in that first, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. To embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. These are the mission statements of our departmental. After that, syllabus, you all are already know syllabus is completed in a first lecture of our course. In that 5 units are there. In a theory part, introduction to multimedia is completed. Now we are starting the image editing and compression. After that, web page development using multimedia, create 2D animation and create 3D animation. This is only for concepts. On a lecture side is clear, then no any problem. Practical session is important. After that, course outcomes. What is meant by course outcomes? After the completion of course, what you will be able, that are 5 COs are there. First, prepare image using different color models, edit image using graphical processing tools, build website with multimedia contents, develop 2D animation objects, develop 3D animation objects. Okay, after that, this is the practical course outcome matrix, means what? In that mapping of your practical list and with COs. Okay, that there are the 5 COs are there. These are the practical list. In the total 32 practicals are there. First, on today's session we seen the 2 practicals means 2A and 2B. All are 32 practicals means more than practicals as compared to other subject, but each practical is not a difficulty or not a lengthy, so that are completed. In a one practical, maximum 2-3 practicals are we conducted, because all practicals are small means only for 10 or 15 minutes one practicals are there, so all are easy and small practicals So within a time that are completed it. After that, 1A and 1B practicals means use various components of graphical processing tools and convert given image into different image formats that are achieve which COA means prepare images using different color models. Clear that? Means on that today's practicals which CO is achieve prepare images using different color models. Okay, these are mapping of our practical list and CO. Okay, for on today's situations through we conduct the online lectures and practical also. So hard copy of manual is not possible, so you download the lab manual for soft copy. That PDF file is there. I am already sent that PDF file on our group. That are, I hope all are download it. Otherwise you download it, and also it is provided in your MSBT website, and that on that also it's present. Through this you download it. Otherwise I am also provided for your group. This is your lab manual of multimedia techniques, means AMT subject. Okay, in that this is the certificate page. This is the PO. Total 10 POs are there. Okay, after that this is also I am already shown in on PPT. This is guidance for teachers. Okay, this is guidance instructions for students. Which instructions are there? First is for incidental writing. On the day of each practical session, every student should maintain a dated logbook for the whole semester. Apart from this laboratory manual, which she has to submit for assessment to the teacher in a next practical session. Listen carefully to all the information regarding curriculums, its course outcomes and major learning outcomes, equipments and instruments in the laboratory. Method of assessment. Read the write-up of each experiment to be performed a day in advance. Organize the work in team or individual and record all the observations and output. Understand the practical implications of the experiments. Students should not hesitate to ask any questions while performing the experiment. Next, 7th is that students should develop debugged and hand run skills. Next, students should develop the habit of discussion about experiments that is performed to enhance the understanding and sharing of knowledge. Next one is that students to attend the practical class regularly and complete the laboratory work during the simulated hours and submit the manuals for assessment regularly. 10 instructions for you. Students shall refer to magazines, refer websites preceding of seminars related to scope of the course and enhance the knowledge and skills. Students should develop the self-learning methods. These are the instructions for you. After that, this is the content page, means list of your practicals. Total 32 practicals are there. On each practicals, different softwares are used. Okay, when we practicals are learned, that time I am telling to you which software are used for this practical. Okay, means in a theory part, in a theory lectures I am already said that which softwares are used for our subject. Okay, first of all, which software is Pencil 2D software. Okay, after that which GIF animator. After that, Notepad is used. GIF using Pencil 2D software, we create the different images. After that, GIF images through we create the movable images, that GIF file, GIF image, etc. Using through GIF animator software through that use it. After that, Notepad. What the purpose of Notepad is used for? We create the web pages. That time to use Notepad. After that, Adobe Flash. Adobe Flash, what purpose is used? When we create the 2D animations programs, that time to use which software? Adobe Flash. After that, Blender software. When we use the Blender software, when we create the, or when we run the programs on 3D animation, that time to use Blender software. These softwares are used for our that course, that is subject. These are all are completed within the Pencil 2D. After that, through 5 GIF animator is used. After that, different softwares, many online softwares are there on that practicals, that also you use it. Means in short, this practical subject you use net, internet is must. Means in any programs or any programs, any practicals, there online websites are given, that using through websites we perform that programs or practical. So we need the internet of that subject, of that course, AMT subject. Okay, so now we start the first practical number 1, a graphics processing tools. Practical significance: it is essential to get the familiar with graphics processing tools so that one can generate desired graphical object or convert given object into another object as per significance. This generated output can be utilized in any other application which plays vital role of user interface UI and user experience UX development. After that, program outcomes, which POs are relevant for that practical number 1. Okay, 10 POs are there. In that, which PO? Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, ethics and lifelong learning. These POs are able to practical number 1. After that, competency and practical skills. This practical is expect to develop the following skills in you: develop applications using core graphical concepts, select related graphical tools, get familiar with environment and options for the graphical tool, availability of various tools and their uses. After that, check output and verify various properties or parameters of the selected image. Means in short, you familiar with the graphical processing tool which are used in your that practical. Which tool are used? Graphical processing tool, Pencil 2D, that software are used for this practical. Which CO are achieved? Prepare images using different color models. PO outcome. What is the practical outcome? Use various graphics processing tool. These are the some relevant effective domains related outcomes. Follow safety practices, follow ethical practices, demonstrate working as a leader or team members, practices good housekeeping, participates in team problem solving activities, prioritize the time effectively to meet the need of the team and self. Okay, this next part is the minimum theoretical background. What is the main theoretical background? This is already completed within a lecture. This is the color models. What is meant by multimedia? Multimedia means that computer information can be represented through audio, video and animation in addition to traditional media, that is text, graphics, drawing, images, etc. Okay. Color models is a mechanism which is used to computer system to generate specific color by combining primary or secondary colors. The system can have adaptive colors model where primary colors like red, green, blue and are used, and the subtractive color model secondary colors like cyan, magenta, yellow colors used along with this key. Apart from these two colors model, there are other color models are used: HSV, HSL, grayscale and lab. The image representation. You already know which are the image representation: analog representation of image and digital representation of image. This image can be represented in the following two ways. In a analog representation of image, when an image is captured by normal camera, it is called as analog representation. It is similar to that to image which seen by eyes. After that, digital representation of image means which images, whenever the image is stored in the form of computer file, such image are represented in digital format. Okay, these are the different for you, means what is meant by layer, what is meant by frames, what is meant by keyframes, that are conducted when we software are studied. Which software? Pencil 2D software. Layers means what? Layers are the nothing but different surface available on canvas that can be used to draw image or effects. There are two basic types of layers: background and foreground. Okay, one is the background. That one, for example, when we create the any drawing, that time to use background color and one given. After that, on front color we drawing the image. That same concept are used in that subject. Frames. What is meant frames? Frames are segments on timelines which depict the one image of video. A video consists of various frames. What is meant frames? Means it is the segment of timelines. Means we given one image. After that, how many time are that seen by eyes for user, that are calculated using through frames. Keyframe is one which act as a base for the next transaction or frame. It holds all objects in its place. There are some standard graphical processing tools that are commonly used. OpenOffice, Draw, Paint, that's also used. Otherwise Pencil 2D, otherwise Snapping Studio or Sketch. But we generally use the Pencil 2D software. These are the procedure, means how to open that or how to use that software. Select file menu and open or create an image on canvas. After that, save existing image on canvas its specified location. Image existing image on canvas. That after that, check it required format output. Select or unselect specified layer. Observe changes in image. Select keyframe and add new frames. That's like. After that, resource used. Hardware computer system. Okay, minimum 2 GB RAMs are used in that operating system, Windows 7 or next versions. After software, which software? Pencil 2D or OpenOffice, any software are used. Precautions. What is the taking a precaution? All images must be saved with the appropriate extension, means .jpg, png or pmp. Resource used, this table is completed. Results, conclusion, that points are completed in your notebook, which are given which are bring the 200 pages notebook, that we complete that homework. And when you reach in a on a college, that time that cut on the pages and paste in your manual when you got the hard copy of that manuals. Okay, these are the practical related questions. After that, these are the exercise questions that are completed it. Okay, and in that list of students and team members, in that when we groups are formed for you for project purpose, that time which groups I am formed to you, that group members are write down. Okay, their practical number 1A is completed. Okay, it is the practical number 1A, resource used. Okay, how to write that specification of computer. Right click on this PC or my computer, go to in properties, that time to their informations are write down. Which software is used for this practical? Pencil 2D. Okay, any other resources. What is the result is write down. Output of this procedure are right after each printout. Okay. In that results, write down output of procedure, means you write the procedure of, means steps of output. So when you taking a printout, that back side of printout, you write the procedure. Conclusion, What is the conclusion? Write down. By this practical, I can handle graphics processing tools, that is Pencil 2D software. Okay. Practical related questions. In that practical related questions or which? The 3 questions are theory questions. So write for yourself what is the necessary of multimedia. Write are key objects used in multimedia. List any 4 applications where multimedia can be used. These are the theory questions. You write yourself. That is a homework. 1 extra questions are there. List image format types. That also theory question. After that exercise. Okay. In that first question is that 3 questions are there. I am demonstrate first question. Remaining 2 questions you done yourself. First question is that use appropriate graphical processing tool to create an image containing your name and save it in JPG or JPG extension. Okay. First of all, you download the Pencil 2D software. Okay. This is the Pencil 2D software. You are already know how to software download it and install it. Okay. Go through in your internet. Free download. Free software are there. Pencil 2D software that are downloaded and installed in your computer or laptop. Okay, this is your software. Okay, these are the tools are there. First tools, in that name and their meaning are also mentioned. Clear the frames using through clear that frames, also said as the frame or also said as the canvas. This is the Pencil 2D. Use this sketch with pencil. This is the eraser tool. Erase that. This is the same as your paint. You use the paint. Okay, that's same. This is the software. After that, this is select tool. Using is that use of that tools. Select an image. It is the move tool. Use of this tool. Move an object. Is the pen tool. What is the purpose? Sketch with pen. This is the hand tool. Use of this. Move for canvas. It is the polyline tool. What is the purpose of this? Create line or curve. This is the paint bucket tool. Use for this. Fill the selected area with color. This is the eyedropper tool. Just set the color from the stages. This is the brush tool. Paint smooth stroke with a brush. This is the smooth tool, means edit polyline or curve, liquify, bitmap, pixels. These are not necessary to use. Only for in that pencil, erasers, the brush. Okay, color fill. These some tools, eraser. Okay, these some tools are used for you. Okay, these are the color models. In that, choose your color. After that, these are the, okay, in that there are the different layers. Okay, when we create the add the layers means addition is that. Okay, otherwise remove it. Bitmap layer, vector layer and camera layer are present. These are the keys. Okay, these are the timeline. What is meant by timeline means when you any objects are or any images create, when how many that image of front of you means your eyes of user eyes for front of you that are stay, that time is calculated using timelines through means. And layer, what is the purpose to layer are used for the surface means background surface or surface, that time to use different layers. Okay, this is using for play, start, end. This is the play, this is the loop means that image after again display of front of you. That's like, okay, these are the important means in that keys are there. For example, this is the keyframe. Okay, when you add, this is the keyframe. When these keyframes are present, that time to you create the object on that frame or canvas. The duplicate frame was created, deleted. Okay, how will that set? For example, this. Okay, these are the keyframes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, that one keyframe, one object is created. Next keyframe, second keyframe, you another objects are created. Then 3 keyframe, one another object are created. And when you run it, that time one object, second object, 3 object, continuously looking for one running type. Okay, clear it. The question is that, first question is that, what is the question? Use appropriate graphical processing tool. We create with use appropriate processing tool Pencil 2D. After that, to create an image containing your name and save it in JPG format. Okay, for example, in that said that for example, question is that write your name. Okay, for example, write I'm M Meena. You write yourself name. Okay, write your name. After that, save it. How it is save? Save it using which question is there? What is the question? Sorry, in a JPG image. Okay, how will we save? Their file menu are there. In that, go in your file menu option, in that export image, in that select the destination address, browse it. Okay, for example, I am given already name. For example, I am given a name, my name. Okay, after that we select the which image, JPG. In that .jpg is extension is allocated. That time that convert an image, otherwise that convert in a file. So carefully select it in which format you want. After that, okay, this is created in a image in which format, .jpg. How will we check it? Go in your drive. I am given a E drive, empty practicals. In that practical number 1, in that my name is the JPG image. Clear? You also show it. This is This is the my JPG image is created. Clear that? First question how will be solved? After the second question is that homework for you. I am only for given a hint. How will we solve it? Second question, create an image using basic graphical symbols like rectangle, circle, and fill it with different colors. Okay, means one I am new image, save it. Okay, the second question is different shapes are taken and that fill with different colors. I am only for one shapes you to show. Okay, for example, you choose the color. Sorry. Okay, this is show it. I am again showing to you. First of all, select the color. Okay, in that blue colors are watching for you. Using this, clear it. After that, you choose the color. Show, select tool, fill the color. For example, triangle, or draw it. After that, color choose. This time, like means the second question is completed. Different shapes are created and fill it. Third question is that open any graphical processing tools and perform following task. Import an image on canvas located at a specified folder. Okay, means one image is import means taking one image. After that, set the current frame as keyframes. After that, add a new layer at 12 frames and insert a text tool and write text applied multimedia techniques and save file at desktop. Second question is clear. First point, what is the say? Import an image on a canvas located at a specified folder. Means what? Create a new file. Okay, one image is imported. For example, I am taking in a E drive. Images are there. That one image is taking. Okay, that timelines. The timelines is used. What is the question? Second point, set current frame as a keyframe. Okay, means it is a current frame as a set is. It is the current frame. Okay, after that, next add a new frame at 12 frames. Okay, new layer are set as a 12 frames. In that, create new frame. What is the question is said? Insert a text tool, use in text tool and write the applied multimedia techniques and save with the desktop. Sorry. Okay, in that pencil tool is checked. I am only for write AMT. You write in all long forms. Full form are write down applied multimedia techniques. Okay. In image 1 and image 2. Okay, we display it. Okay, it is a start, it is the end. Is clear that it is what is made by keyframe. When in looping statement, play again and again that show it. Clear? Okay, and it will be same. Go to save file, save on a desktop. Okay, basic one. Okay, save it. I'd also show it. On the desktop that are save it and create new and open it. When we open on desktop, okay, sorry, new file are taken. In that one, import the image. After that 12 frame, write a subject name AMT, play it. After that save. On desktop as a sample, save it, save, new file, save it. Oh sorry, the Pencil 2D, our shortcuts are created on desktop. That open it. Sample program for ourselves. This is what practical. Clear it. Okay, the steps: first open graphical processing tools, that is Pencil 2D. After that choose pencil tool. After that write your name. Sorry, this is the answer for first question. Which question first? This is okay, name question. Open graphical processing tools, choose pencil tool. After that write your name through pencil tool on a canvas. Export to image in a file menu. After that browse an image location and select JPG format. Also click on OK button and create the JPG image. And second question, third question for yourself, homework for you, that 3 questions are taking a printout, and that attach the back side of that printout, write their steps. The second and third question also I am showing to you. This taking the printout, these questions. Okay, clear that? These are the theory questions, that only for 3 practical questions are there, that are solve it, and they're taking a 3 outputs and write their steps of that backside of printout. So that practical number 1B means image formats and its conversions. You already know image formats, which types of images, okay, and only for seeing that how to convert it. Practical significance: image is a very essential object and any multimedia system. It is often seen that based on the size of image file, loading time of multimedia applications can affect. While using an image in multimedia system, choosing appropriate image file type is essential. At the time of developer needs to convert the available or existing file type in a required file format. These are the POs that are applicable. Okay, these are the skills for you. Know which CO is achieved. Edit image using graphical processing tools. PO convert given image into different image format. After that, program outcomes: convert given image into different image format. After that, this is the minimum theoretical background. Image types, okay, which are the image? BMP, GIF, JPG, PNG. Okay, this already you are known. These are the resource table. In previous practicals also I am explained. That's same as the write down. After that, these are the questions. The tables are completed in that software. Which software is used? AVS image converter or Pexelium image converter software are used. Any software you use for yourself. I am use AVS image converter, so you also not use image AVS image converter. Any image converter software are used. Results, output of this output of procedure are right after the each printout. Conclusion is that by this practical I am able to identify image formats and its conversions. Means in short, in that shown the how to image conversion. First question is that practical related questions. Search sample.jpg image available in your computer and convert it in the .png format. Point out major changes in images. Okay, what is the steps? Search .jpg image in your computer. Open online AVS image converter. After that, add a .jpg image in AVS image converter. After that, select .png option for conversion purpose. Browse destination folder. Click on convert now button. Message is displayed as the conversion is completed. Click on open folder and I got .png image. Clear that? First of all, you download that or you use the online AVS image converter. I am downloaded it as showing. Okay, this is the AVS image converter. In that, first add the image .jpg image. These are all .jpg images. I am showing .jpg. Clear? Open. Convert into in questions. Right? Which in question? PNG. So in that, select which convert the extension .png. After that, that browse means in that destination address is choose destination address. I am already set in a drive convert image. Okay. After that, you click a convert now buttons are there. That time click here, convert. The message is displayed, conversion is completed. Open folder, that PNG image. Choose the house image that are converted into PNG image. Clear that? Sorry. This is the first practical is completed. First question. In the second question, what is the said? Download image from following URL and convert it into .bmp image. Okay, means first of all you go in a following URL. So you need to internet. This following link URL you go through and that convert into means in through URL one image are there, the JPG image that are downloaded it and using through converter software through. First questions are solved it, demonstrated that type, that same steps are used and convert into .bmp. I am converted into PNG, you convert it into BMP. After that, next question is that convert the resultant image of second activity into GIF. Means when second question is solved, means when we got the .bmp image, that again convert into GIF image. 3 questions are clear. Okay, and 4th questions are there, extra questions are there. Compare between .png, .jpg, .bmp and .gif image format. Okay, comparing difference between, write the theory question, difference between of that 4 image formats. Exercise. Okay, in that question, resize any image from your computer to 800 by 600 image size, save the result and point out differences in practices. It means in that resize the image. This is the given the URL, go through that URL and set the size 800 and 600 and automatically that convert in a means resize the image. What is meant by resize the image? Okay, reduce the size. And second question is theory question. You write down for your homework purpose. Okay, these questions are clear. In that, this first question is that first of all go through in that URL. Okay, I'm already open this. Okay, in a address bar you type there address URL. After that, this is open it. In that, choose the inner steps are already said that write down. Open following URL. After that, click on choose file option and select one image. Set the 800 by 600 because questions are there. After that, click on resize image button. Output is got. Save the image. Okay. So in that, choose a file. For example, choose this image. Okay, let's set the height and width. Let's set 800 and let's set 600. Then click on resize image button. Clicking, okay, show that, and this is the save. How to save? Go in a file menu and save a image. Okay. Save in which format save? No, any format is saved. You save as a JPG. Data, download it. In a folder, downloaded. That image will be downloaded. JPG image. This is the JPG image. Clear that? Okay, and second question for homework for you. Summary on that today's practical session. Practical number 1. By this practical, I can handle graphical processing tools, that is Pencil 2D software are understand, handle. And second using through second practical, what is the summary? This conclusion is that by this practical, I am able to identify image formats, this JPG, BMP, etc. and its conversions. How will we converted it? Homework for you. Bring one 200 pages notebook. Prepare your practical number 2 in a notebook. To take a printout of each practical related questions and write their steps to back side of that printout. After that, to complete resource use table, results and conclusions. To complete practical related questions, extra questions and exercise questions also. Okay. Here stop on our today's practical session. On this practical session, any doubts arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.